Hello, I'm going to do an unboxing video of my yoyoexpert package. I already opened it up. Never looked inside there. Bubble wrap. Ten-pack of kitty string. Yay! My yo-yo bag. Smaller than I expected. Whoa, a bunch of stickers. I got Central Yell sticker. I got kitty string sticker. I got a Yo-Yo Factory sticker. I got a One Drop sticker. And I got a PSG sticker, and I got tons. I got Yo-Yo Expert sticker. I got Trick List. Yeah, Trick List. I also got a packing list. That's what I got. Also, and more bubble wrap. That's it, guys. I'll do a review. I want to show you guys the insides. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Inside, nice little compartment. Beautiful. Can't be any more happy. Yeah, kitty string. Happy about that. 10-pack. So, thanks for watching, guys, and see you later.